Hey there, everyone. It's Ryan with Frontline Animal Removal. Let's check out a spot where the flashing has rusted away and wood is rotten. Squirrels moved in. Here we got some rotten flashing. And we move over to here. We got a nice big hole. Hole's big enough I can almost fit the camera in. But if we look here at this fascia trim right here, it's supposed to be white. It's real dirty. That's all paw prints. We can see the wood's been chewed on, and then the steel flashing is just crumbling away. So it looks like this problem's been going on for quite some time, but if we look inside, we can see some nesting material. There's probably been a combination of squirrels and birds here, and I'm pretty sure, based upon all the dirty fascia here, the dirty fascia here, squirrels hop over, come over, and come in right here. So this is just an example of some deferred maintenance. If this flashing had been coated or sealed, it wouldn't have rotten and the critters wouldn't have gotten in. But from the ground, it's not really possible to see anything. Thank you.